So it's really handy to be able to seamlessly pull in images to Smart Notebook without having to copy paste and mess around too much with too many different features. So there's a handy tool in Smart Notebook and it's the digital camera on the top menu bar. If we click on that, we can see it opens up a menu bar with 4 buttons on it. One that allows you to draw a rectangle around an image that you want to capture, one that will capture the entire contents of any open window. The third button would capture anything that's displayed on the screen, so that would include the start menu at the bottom of the Windows screen. And then the fourth button captures anything of a particular shape, so we can freehand draw a shape and it will pull that image into Smart Notebook. So for instance, let's start off with a straightforward one. We want to be able to pull in the table that you see here in this Word document so that we can easily make notes on it in Smart Notebook, take away some of the other imagery so that we're just concentrating on that bit that we're interested in. So we use the first button in the capture tool, which is draw a rectangle, and draw a rectangle around the table that we want to use. So once I've released the board, tap the thing off the board, it makes that little camera shutter noise, which lets us know that it's done what we've asked it to do. We go back to Smart Notebook and our image is all there, ready to be used and ready to write on. So we can just pick up a pen there as normal and write on the board anything we need to. So we could put in some classroom results, we could talk about comparing, we could highlight particular sections of interest as you would normally with a smart board, so nothing new in the use of the pens, but capturing the imagery is what we're really looking for. We can also capture from a web page, so if you had an image that you wanted to use such as this, and you wanted a particular section of it, maybe you just wanted to be interested in the view of the bottom edge of this iPod, you could draw around it freehand. We have the camera shutter noise again to allow us to know that it's done its job. We go back into Smart Notebook and we've got the image that we can resize and use as we wish to. We can also then capture from video clips, and we can capture while they're running if we're quick enough. So using the freehand drawing tool, I want to capture some sections of this video clip, which I'll attempt to do. There's the first one. There's the second one. We'll just stop that video clip. Back to Smart Notebook, and you can see that we've captured the images that I was after there. So we've got the yellow flame before the oxygen's turned on with the blowtorch, and then the blue flame once the oxygen's been turned on. So again, we can discuss this, identify the main differences, maybe what's causing those differences and so on, whatever you feel that you need to explain from that clip. But that's generally how you can very, very quickly grab images from the internet, from Microsoft Documents, from video clips. You can use it on YouTube, you can use it on anything you can display on the screen. We can very quickly capture into Smart Notebook for you to make notations on.